Today I'm gonna change my wiper blade and assembly. I'm gonna change the whole thing. The reason I'm doing it today because let's see if I can show you. This thing broke off when I was washing my car one day. Finally I got one on eBay, used one. So I didn't get this piece. I guess it's cheaper if you buy the whole thing, and if you're lucky to get used one online. And I got one, so I'm gonna change the whole thing. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is the replacement part that I received. It's in pretty good shape. I'm happy about it. And this is the part was broken, so I decided to do the whole thing, whole assembly, instead of getting this pipe. I don't know if you could take it out, maybe with a screwdriver, but I'm not gonna even try it. It was pretty cheap, $35. So I'm gonna put the whole assembly. First, you have to take this cover right here. There's a screw holding it. It's not a screw actually, just a plastic thing just holding this this part. So I took out already. So I just left one, so to show you how to take it out. Just gotta press it down with the screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Press it down. Then you could, then you could take the whole thing. This whole thing comes off. Let's see. So take all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take all of them out. And you just pull this cover off like this. See, this is the thing. Next, you have to take this out. Since I'm changing this one, the right one, so I'm just gonna take it out from here like this. And there's a connector right here. You gotta take this off. I took it out already. Oh, snap. Yeah, I took the connector out already. Right here. Yeah, I was looking for it actually, but I took it out. Yeah, that's the connector. You just press this right here, pull it out. Press it, pull it out. And there's another one you're gonna take out right here, this little thing. I think you gotta go. Yeah, just gotta twist it to your left with a nail. As soon as you see the opening, you can just pull it out. Yeah, so you're just gonna pull this back till you see this opening right here. This opening, just pull it out. Yeah, so you're gonna take this off. I think it's 12 or 13. Take this one off, then you could just pull it out. That's 15 millimeter. Wow. $15mm I'm using. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe a little smaller, but it worked fine. I don't know, it should come off. What's going on? And sometimes it doesn't want to come off easily after taking this knot off. You might have to get a flathead screwdriver or one of these pry bar, and you got to go underneath like this, and you might have to tap it on the bolt right here. Put the pressure from the bottom, just tap it right here so it'll come off. There's a tab, you could push it and just pull it out. That's it. So simple. See that tab right here? You're gonna push it down, then pull it out. I got a brand new wiper, so I'm just gonna put this on before I even put it in the car. Yeah, I got this on Amazon, I think, like $50. Just wanted to use the original one because aftermarket is $35, $40, $35, $30 already. So why not original one, Volvo. I don't know, this one, I think they broke it off. This is a used one. Got it, like I said, I got it on eBay, so they didn't take this off. I think this whole thing broke off right here. So putting the new one, you see the tab right here is gonna line up with this hole right here. So you just gotta slide it in. I guess this is it. So simple. I should have done this before. Okay. Alright. Just putting the thing in place. This was goes all the way in the bottom. But I have this, I'm gonna take this off because I have it from the old one, so take this off. Yeah. I'm just gonna save it in case, this thing broke off. I could use it. Just put the volt back on. So this part is done, I guess. And put the cover back on. This thing right here. I think you gotta line it up. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. No. Yes, no, yes, no. I don't think so. You just plug it in. That's it. Let's connect everything. Let's put everything back. I gotta put it right here. Yes. Connect this first, the white. This one. this is it. Let's put this cover. Put this cover. Now I'm gonna put this cover back on. Well, I think I'm gonna clean it before I put it on, but let me show you. I'm not gonna show you the whole process because it's not worth it. You should be able to do it. That's it. Should be. Gotta find out why this is sticking out. I think, yeah. That's it. I want to share something. When you put this back, you must put the wiper in this position right here, because I was having problem like when I turned it on. For some reason it wasn't in perfect place. It was hitting the side of the windshield right here. It was hitting right here, so I took it out and put the wiper in this position, not in service position, this position, and then I tied it. So now it seems okay. So just want to inform you that if you have that problem, take it out and put this bolt in this position.